Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. I want to apologize. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. I want to apologize again, guys, for the short video Kaizer Chiefs against Zesco. Yeah, game available and being a command. But now I've decided to do the AmaZulu versus the TX Galaxy. Beautiful game of lot of chances. It was 3-2 to AmaZulu, but being a Pelogu 5-5 or even 10-10, right? What I always say is football is a game of small details. Most of the time, for us to see a goal, players have to do a mistake, right? But not as a team, as players, we have to make less mistakes. TX Galaxy made the most mistakes and they got punished. And let me show you. The first one, it was a TX Galaxy corner kick, first goal. Keeper, Pagat, Oyakai. At this level, you can't do that. You can't. Not at this level, Bafet. Goalkeeper, Oshawa, the height, your corner kick, standing. Bafet. Second goal of the game, equalizer AmaZulu. It was a free kick at TX Galaxy. Balcera. But now, when I guess it was our free kick, right? So Moses will move. Everyone needs to run to their positions, right? If you're in a wrong position, let's say if we get move, we have to organize the back four. It's what they didn't do. Yeah? Look at the right back. Okay, sharp. Because a true pass. Yeah, a true pass because the striker is facing his own player. Okay, sharp. Look at these two. No communication. Space la. Because as long as he shape Pagat inside. Let me take it back. Kangan. This guy, is he not aware of this striker? He's ball watching. Come on. It's not an own goal. He's ball watching. He's not focused on the player coming on his left hand side or right hand side. When Zani, I'm Chaisa, Genana Linetin. Goal number 3. After scoring, Ipo AmaZulu has the ball here. By Zani, they lose it. Now they're gonna get punished. What I don't understand is this center back. Why is he coming too close here? There's a midfielder. He needs to go there. Now I'm Fanagit, you are ball watching. Man. Ball watching. Pagat. I don't understand. AmaZulu plays with 5 at the back. So one of the center backs, why is he going there? Because he ends up coming back. Sekazofuna cover. Where now, Robert? Why? Sleeping on duty. Man. Man. Now he comes here to go and cover. It's too late. Goal number 4. Begis cut. Sell 2 minutes, right? TX Galaxy, they clear the ball. Okay, it says Katele, but just because it's Katele, we can't have a streamline less. We can't, Buffett. Where is the structure? where the two lines, the defenders, the midfielders. Sesigcwele manje streamline C6 la. And into ezenzakala mase sigcwele so, they will play the ball into the penalty spot. Akekho ozolithola. And into eyenzakalile la. But watch this guy. You can't let the striker go there. Yeah? No one is looking at the penalty spot. Wonke umuntu focus laphaya. Streamline. The red ends, streamline. Man. You can't defend like that, Bafid. Let me think it fast forward. You can't defend like that. Eh? This guy, Umalankan, he's an international player, this one. Eh? He's not from here. You can't. Because this guy Agambon. He's looking. Upegaka left. Which okay, who's coming? Eh? And then where's Agale in? Bafid. Lona. Last goal of the game. There's something called KISS. Keep it simple. Abanye bathi stupid, abanye bathi silly. Right? You keep it simple. It's simple as that. You just keep it simple. And it takes Galaxy, they don't keep it simple. Bese tum. Head the ball mfana kithi. Wenzani? You lose the ball, bayenzani? Inside. Oh, even the keeper now, his positioning. You end up kissing the pole. Eh? Mwah. Not that kiss. Don't kiss the pole. Keep it simple. Not kiss the pole. Let me take it back. Now yes. The ball is in the air. Why don't I hit the ball? Why is I hit the ball? You want to chest. Ukatel. Bafethu. Okay, sharp. The ball is still ours. Pass omunye umntwana. Or make a run here, upass goalkeeper. Oh, keep it ngaphandle. Keep it simple. It doesn't. Cross. Look at the keeper. You are too far, my man. The ball is here. The ball is here. When you are already so low. Balshagu first pole. The pole that you're supposed to be guarding, you end up kissing it. You're hugging the pole. Huggy. Mwah. Ngiyaphinda futhi guys. Sorry for the short video, Abe Chiefs. Right? I know some of you were looking for something great, but I apologize. I want to say thank you again for the support. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga.